students, welcome in our channel Class 10 ncert SSC Math with Sujata ji. This is Sujata Gamre and coming with our session for the solving of the board question paper from March 2020 to March 2025 and only for the question 1 and question 2. It is our strategy. It is my strategy. So students, you want to getting the out of marks in question 1 and 2 and you scoring the passing result, then it is very beneficial and very important session for you students. Okay, so let us solve this new board question paper for March 2020. Okay student, so let us see this question paper. So here you are familiar that what is the question pattern about the maths part 1, that is the algebra students, and you know that up to the question 2 how the questions are arises there. Okay students, there are the repetition of the questions in such a board question paper. So now here students, let us see the question first A, and the question first A is of the MCQ. There are the 4 MCQ, each having the 1 mark and the total mark, that is the 4. So students, question 1. In the format of GSTIN, there are alpha numeral, dash alpha numeral. So students, in the format of GSTIN, so that means there are the 15 alpha numerals. So here the correct option is A, 15. Okay, next one example students. From the following equations, which one is the quadratic equation? So here we have to find out which one is the quadratic equation. So students, there are the 4 options. So one by one you have to check out which one is a quadratic equation or not. Very easy students it is. If you get the general form of quadratic equation, then it is a quadratic equation. Then what is the general form of quadratic equation? That general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if the equation come in this form, then automatically we can say it is a quadratic equation. So let us check out one by one the given options. So first option is students here the A, and that is the 5 upon x minus 3 is equal to x square. Now here students, at the denominator place there is a x, so I multiply this x on both the sides. Okay, so here x multiply x square, then here x get cancelled, then 5 minus 3x is equal to x cube. So here students, x cube plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now here students, it is not possible that this is the quadratic equation. So it is false. It is not the quadratic equation. So this option is out from our option. So now see, now the check out the next one question, next one option, that is for the B. So here B option is x multiply x plus 5 is equal to let us check the B option students here. The B option is x multiply x plus 5 is equal to 4. So now here students, here x multiply x plus x multiply 5 is equal to 4. So here x square plus 5x is equal to 4. So x square plus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. So now here students, carefully observe. This equation is in the general form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And that means it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation, students. So now here students, so this would be our correct option. So do not check out the further option, students. Do not check out the further option and do not worry about that my answer would be wrong. No, it is not possibility. If you do carefully step by step, then your answer must be correct. Okay, students? So our this correct and option is the B. That is x multiply x plus 5 is equal to 4. So now let us take the next one example. For simultaneous equations in variables x and y, if d of x is equal to 49, dy is equal to minus 63, d is equal to 7, then what is the value of x? So now here this is the Cramer's rule, and we know that for finding out the value of x, the formula becomes x is equal to d of x upon d. So now here we know the value of d of x, that is the 49. So 49 upon d, that means 7. 49 upon 7. So here 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 79. So here our final answer is 7. So the correct option is, students, A, 7. Okay. Then next one, students. Next one, that is the fourth one example. If n of a is equal to 2, p of a is equal to 1 upon 5, then n of s is equal to question mark. So now here students, there is a formula related with p of a and n of s. There is a related formula for the p of a and n of s. Then what is that formula? That formula is p of a is equal to n of a upon n of s. So now here we have to find out the value of n of s, student. So exchange this position. So n of s is equal to n of a upon p of a. So now here students, n of a, that is the 2. So 2 upon 1 upon 5. So here we simplify this. 2 multiply 5 upon 1. 5 upon 1 is the reciprocal of the 1 upon 5. So here 2 multiply 5, that means the answer is 10. So n of s is equal to 10, student. So our correct option is C, 10. Correct option is C, 10. Then next one, students. Question 1b. Find the second and third term of an 80 whose first term is minus 2 and common difference is minus 2. Now here first term is minus 2 and the common difference is also minus 2, students. So here students, that we write the given. So what is the given? So given here, that I write here given first, that is the first term, that means t1 is equal to minus 2, common difference, that is d is equal to minus 2, and we have to find out the second term, that means the t2, and the third term, that is t3. Okay, this way. So now we have the t1 and we have to find out the t2. What is the formula of t2? Calculating t2, that is t2 is equal to a plus d. So here students, minus 2 plus of minus 2, that means minus 2 which is equal to minus 4. So T2 is equal to minus 4. So now the third term, that third term T3 is equal to A plus 2D. So here students minus 2 plus 2 multiply minus 2, that means minus 2 plus of minus 4 which is equal to minus 2 minus 4 which is equal to minus 6. So T3 is equal to minus 6 students. So this way that second term is minus 4 and the third term is minus 6 students. Okay. See the next one example students. See the next one example. Next one example is common medical supplies medicines. On some medicines the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? So now here we write the given that here we write the given as the rate of GST. Rate of GST which is equal to 12%. Okay. So now here rate of CGST and rate of SGST both are equal. Rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST, and the formula is that half of GST. So here the half of GST is the 12%. So here the half of 12, that is the 6%. So here we write the rate of CGST is equal to 6% and here also rate of SGST is equal to 6%. Okay students, this way. Then see the next one question. The next one question is that find the values of A and B from the quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now here the given quadratic equation, students here we write the given. So given quadratic equation, given quadratic equation is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. So now here students we compare this quadratic equation, that compare this given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now here see, at the place of a there is a 2. So a is equal to 2. At the place of b there is minus 5. So here b is equal to minus 5. So here students we get the two values, that is the a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 5. Then next one students, next example. If 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y is equal to 11, then find the values of x plus y. So now here students, first we write the given equation and limit that first 15x plus 17y is equal to 21, call it as first, and the 17x plus 15y is equal to 11, call it as the 2. So now here you add these equations. So here we write the instruction adding equations 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. Then we have 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 plus 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. So here 32x plus 32y is equal to 32. So now here dividing both the sides by 32. So here 32 divided by 32x divided by 32 plus 32y divided by 32 is equal to 32 divided by 32. So now here x plus y is equal to 1. So here x plus y is equal to 1. That we have to find out. Okay. Question 2, students. This is the activity based question. Okay. So there are the 3 activities come and we have to solve any 2 activity. Okay. So now here students, complete the following table to draw the graph of 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. Okay. The given equation is this. And then we have to fill out these boxes by calculating. How can we find out? That is here, the first one, students, see the value of x is minus 5 and then we have to find out the value of y, students. Then we have to find out the value of y. And then after finding the value of x and y, then we can write it is in the quadratic form. So here, students, first I write this given equation, that is the 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. So here 2 multiply minus 5 minus 6y is equal to 3. So here minus 10 minus 6y is equal to 3. So here minus 6y is equal to 3 plus 10, and that means minus 6y is equal to 13. So here students, y is equal to 13 upon 6. 13 upon minus 6. Then here students, y is equal to 6 to the and here 6 1. So minus 2.1. Okay. So here we write minus 2.1. And the options, that is the coordinates, are minus 5 minus 2.1. Okay. Then what about this? We saw that is the value of y here. The value of y is 0. So now here students, y is equal to 0. Then here we write the equation 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. So here 2x minus 6 multiply 0 is equal to 3. So 2x minus 0 is equal to 3. So 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 upon 2. Then x is equal to 1.5. Okay. So now here we get the value of x, that is the 1.5. And the coordinates are 1.5, 0. These are the coordinates. So such a way we can calculate which the given variable is there, and we have to find out the other one variable. Okay students. Then the next one question. First term and common difference of an AP are 6 and 3 respectively. Find S27. Okay students. So the activity here, first term is equal to A is equal to 6. Common difference is equal to D is equal to 3. S27 is equal to question mark. Okay students. The activity is start from these students, that is the first term. So you have to write as it is given in the question paper. Okay students. Do not change their format. Do not change slightly also. Do not change their format. You write as it is. In the one line you write the values of this such a one. Okay. And in the second line you write this one. And that is the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, then here S27 is equal to 27 upon 2. Then here 2 multiply 6, that means here 12. Then 27 minus 1 and the d, that d is here 3. So now here 27 upon d, and we have to write here directly the calculation of this student. Directly the calculation of this. So here in the other page or the rough page, you can calculate this. That is the 12 plus here 27 minus 1, that is the 26, and multiply 3. Okay. So here 12 multiply, that is the 78. So here 10 here, then 8 and 9. Okay. So here we write here 90. So now the 27 upon 2, that is the 27 multiply 90 upon 2, and that means the half of 90, that is the 45. So here students, the 27 multiply 45. So now here, do here on the rough page students, that is a 27 multiply 45. Okay, do here that 3, 13, here 28, here. So here 1, 2, 1, 5. So here the answer is 1, 2, 1, 5. S27 is 1215. Okay students. Then the next one example. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of the event the card drawn is a red card. So suppose S is a sample space, n of S is equal to 52. Event A, card drawn is a red card. So now here the red card. Okay. So total red cards are 13 hearts plus 13 diamonds. So n of A is equal to 26. 13 plus 13, 26. So here write down the formula. P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. So here students, that is P of A is equal to 26 upon 52, and the simplify here. After simplify, we get 1 upon 2. P of A is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. Then the next one students example, that is from the question 2b. Solve any 4 sub questions. Okay. There are the 5 questions. We have to solve only 4, and the 4 each having the 2 marks. Each having the 2 marks student. So let us see how can we solve it. So here the first determinant, that is we have to find out the value of determinant. So here the given determinant is 7 upon 3 upon 3, 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So here we do the cross multiply, that is the 7 upon 3 multiply 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 multiply 5 upon 3. So now here students, the 7 multiply 1 upon 3 multiply 2 minus here 3 get cancelled. So 1 multiply 5 upon 2 multiply 1. So here 7 upon 6 minus 5 upon 2. Okay. So now here denominators are different. So equating the denominator. So 7 upon 6 minus 5 upon 2, that is multiply 3. Okay. So now here 7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6. So here students, the determinant, the next step will be determinant is equal to 7 minus 15 upon 6. So here D is equal to minus 8 upon 6. So here D is equal to minus 4 upon 3. So this is the final value of the given determinant. Okay. Now next one students. The next one question is that solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. X square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. So now here students, this is the factorization method. That means students, here we want the two numbers in such a way that their product will be plus 54, their product will be plus 54 and their addition or subtraction will be minus 15. So we have to find out such a two numbers which satisfy this condition. So which are these numbers? So here students, 9 and 6. Okay, the numbers are 9 and 6. 9 6 are 44. Okay, then here what about their sign? Here minus 9 and minus 6. Okay, so this way here we write that equation, that is the x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 is equal to 0. So now we are common from these two terms, x minus 9 minus 6 in the bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. So now both the brackets are equal. So here we make it the one bracket. And the another bracket we write the x minus 6 is equal to 0. So the first bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0 or the second bracket x minus 6 is equal to 0. So here students, x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 6. Okay. So here students, we write that the solution of the given quadratic equation is x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 6. Okay, to 6. Then next one example students. एकदम इझी असतात स्टुडंट्स, एक्झाम्पल खूप इझी आहे. सो तुम्ही सॉल्व करू शकता, इझिली सॉल्व करू शकता. कॉन्फिडंट घ्या, कॉन्फिडंट असाल, बी कॉन्फिडंट अँड देन यू गॉट द आउट ऑफ 20 marks students. Okay, so now here third one example. Decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find 28 term of the progression. So here first check out whether it is arithmetic progression or not students. So see here that the series, we write here series again, minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30, dot. Okay, so now here T1 write the first term. T1 is equal to minus 12, T2 is equal to minus 5, T3 is equal to 2, T4 is equal to 9, T5 is equal to 16, T6 is equal to 23 and T7 is equal to 30. So now here students, here we write that T2 minus T1, which is T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 5 minus of minus 12, that means minus 5 plus 12, which is equal to 7. Now here students, at this place T3 minus T2 is equal to 2 minus of minus 5, which is equal to 2 plus 5, which is equal to 7. Then here students, the T4 minus T3 is equal to 9 minus 2, which is equal to 7. Then here T5 minus T4 is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Then here further 23 minus 16. Then here T6 minus T5 is equal to 23 minus 16 is equal to 7. And here the last one, T7 minus T6 is equal to 30 minus 23 is equal to 7. So here the common difference between the two adjacent terms is equal to 7, and that means here we say that it is in TP. The given series is an AP. So that means we can calculate the value of the 20th term. So now here we use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1b. So here T20 is equal to A, there A is the minus 12. So I write here minus 12. So plus here 20 minus 1 and D is 7. So here minus 12 plus 19 into 7, then here minus 12 plus here students, that is the 133. Okay. Then here minus 12 plus 133, and that means students here 1 to 1 T20 is equal to 122. Okay students, so such a way we can find out the value, okay, of T20. Then next one students, next one example is a two-digit number is formed 2357 without repetition. And what is the probability that the number formed is an odd number? Okay, so now here students, first we write the two-digit number from the given digit, and the given digit are 2, 3. Here I write digits. Okay, so digits are 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, and that will be without repetition. So the two-digit numbers will be the 2, 3, then 2, 5, then 2, 7, 2, 9, then the turn of 3, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 7, and 3, 9. Then the turn of 5, then 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 7, and 5, 9. 5, 9. And then the turn of the 7. So here 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 9. Then the turn of 9. Then 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 5, and 9, 7. Okay. So these are the two-digit numbers. Okay. And what is the probability that the number formed is an odd number? Okay students, the odd number, how many odd numbers are there here? Students, you can calculate, that is a 23, 25, 27, I mark here, I underline here, okay? If the numbers are odd numbers, okay? Then here 37, here 39, 53, 57, 59, then 73, 75, 79, 93, 95, 97. Okay? So these are the underlined numbers are the prime odd number. So now here I write the event, that consider the event A, and that will be the number formed is an odd number. Is an odd number. Okay. So now here n of a is equal to students 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So n of is equal to 60 and the total number students, the total number will be, that is the sample space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Okay. So now here we have to find out the probability. So here formula for the probability, P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. So here N of A is 60 and the N of S is 20. So now simplify, 4 4s are 4 5s are. So P of A is equal to 4 upon 5. So here students, our final answer is the probability that the number form is an odd number is equal to 4 upon 5 to 4 upon 5. Okay students. Then the next one, example students. Okay. The next one example is students that if L is equal to 10, F1 is equal to 70, F0 is equal to 58, F2 is equal to 42, H is equal to 2, then find the mode by using formula. So now here first we write the given. So here first write the given, that is N is equal to 10, F1 is equal to 70, F0 is equal to 58, F2 is equal to 42 and the H is equal to 2. And we have to find out the mode. Okay, mode. Formula, first we write the formula for the mode students. So here mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 is equal to 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply H. Okay students, this is the formula for the mode. So now here N substitution, 10 plus here 70 minus 58, then here 2 multiply here 70 minus 58 minus 42, then multiply here H is the 2. So now here 10 plus 70 minus 58, so here 12 here, then here 140 minus 58 minus 42, and that means students 100 and multiply 2. First get the answer of bracket. So 10 plus 12 upon 40 here, then I write here multiply 2. Then here 2 ones are, then here 20, then here 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 0. So 10 plus 6 upon 10. So here students 10 plus 0.6. So here 10.6. That will be the mode. Okay. So here students, this is the final answer. Mode is equal to 10.6.